Good day, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mouse Vic. I'm Victor Adewale Adeleke. Okay, without wasting much time, let's quickly dive into the deal of the day. Let's quickly find the derivative to what? To cosec x. Yes, cosec s. Now, just know, since we are very familiar with this information, that cosec s is equals to 1 over what? Sine x. So, taking this to be u and taking this to be v, you can see this is in fraction form. So, to find the derivative, if you are not familiar, go and check on my videos, the beginners videos on this stuff. I explained quotient rule already. So the quotient rule applies to solving questions that are in fractional arrangements, having a numerator and a denominator. So that is the kind of fashion we have been able to arrange cosec s to become. So from here, you just need to do is to remember the formula for the quotient rule dy dx. Check on the video for quotient rule if you don't understand what I'm doing. Is the product of what? V with what? Du dx, then subtracting from it u dv dx, then all divided by what? By v squared. So what is du? Du, we can see from the question, if you differentiate 1 du dx, yes, you get what? You get 0 because u was 1. So, and what will be dv dx? Dv dx would be equals to what? Would be equals to cos x. So from here, you can just solve directly and say dy dx certainly would be equals to, substitute the values into the quotient formula that you have gotten. Let me arrange this. Yes. So substitute that into the quotient formula you have gotten. So we have, what is v? V was what? Sine x. Producing with 0. So this eliminates, and then subtracting from it u producing with dv dx. So u was 1. So producing with dv dx, we have cos what? X. All divided by what? All divided by v square, that is sine square x, because sine x is v, so v square will be sine square x. So from here, dy dx will certainly be equal to, you can see, negative cos x all divided by sine x, producing with 1 all divided by sine x. Why did I put 2 sine x? Because if you product them, you get sine squared x. So from here, you can get that what dy dx will become cos divided by sine is the inverse of tan. So you can get cotangent, which is cot x. Then 1 divided by sine is the cosec x. So this is the derivative to what? To cosec x. So once you have gotten that, now let's quickly find what will be the derivative without wasting time. The same applies, the same system of application is used here. So since we know that y is equal to sec s, we know that y is the same thing as sec s is the same as the inverse of the cosine x. So here we have u and here we have v. So therefore, without wasting time, the v dx will be equals to 0, while the v dx, sorry, so here was the u dx, sorry about that, while here is the v dx. So the v dx is going to be negative sine of x. So substituting that into the formula we've already had here, we will get that dy dx would become, what is v? We have v to be cos x, producing with 0. Everything here eliminates. Subtracting from it, your negative sine times 1, because that's the u dv dx. But since we have 1 here, producing with negative sine x, so negative is going to affect this, it becomes positive. So all divided by v squared, that is the cosine squared x, because v is what? The cosine x. So v squared is going to be cosine squared x. So therefore, dy dx would be equals, here you have sine x, all divided by what? Cosine squared x, then plus what? 1 all divided by cosine x. Sorry about this squared. So cosine x will give you, producing cosine x with cosine x will give you what? Cosine squared x. So that's what we get there. So therefore, dy dx, that's the derivative for sec s, is going to become the tangent x. Okay, tangent x, because you know that if you divide this fraction, sine x divided by cos s, you get tan x. Then what is this? 1 divided by cosine x is what? Is sec x. So this is the what? So tan x sec s is the derivative to what? To sec s. If you're not familiar with all these identities that are used in this video, check on my videos. One of my videos, I will drop the link on the comment section titled Proof of Pythagorean Identities. If you check on those videos, it will broaden your understanding and knowledge about what I did here. So once you watch that video, you understand how these identities, trigonometric identities, came about. You can come back to this video and I bet you are going to understand every single thing that was done here. If you're here to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Stay tuned.